There's this alleged speculation
Okay.
that has been moving around
All right.
in the last 5 to 10 years
Okay.
that in the year 1990, a certain Jim Ovia and Shina Peters, they were exposed to a sum of 20 million naira.
Okay.
And whilst Jim Ovia invested in the banking sector, which we have today, Zenith Bank, Sir Shina Peters invested in real estate at that time. If we look at the comparison between Sir Shina Peters and Jim Ovia today, the distance is wide. And there's a lot of investing in real estate. Real estate is the best this, it's the best that. Now, if based on that comparison, how profitable is it to invest in real estate?
Okay. So first, I think we need to state the facts. It's just like you said, it's a speculation. We don't
Mhm.
know how true it is because as a 1990, our highest denomination in currency was 20 naira.
Yeah, that's true.
So that means Shina Peters will have done shows all night, all day to make that kind of money. And as at the time, 20 million naira was crazy money. We are talking about 1990 here. So now, looking beyond all of the speculation, if these things are actually true, um, three things. Number one, you need to know that the biggest form of investment, the best form of investment, aside from real estate, is investing in yourself and in your business, right? And the reason why we say real estate is the best investment going forward is because it's tangible. So when you invest in real estate rightly, there is no speculation that can destroy or diminish the value. It is stable. What would have happened if Zenith Bank stocks had gone south? It could have happened that Zenith Bank and Jim Ovia story would have not been a success. I mean, there are a lot of other people that also started businesses at the time that also failed. So that's one. Number two, when you are investing in something and you want it to be global, like you want to invest in something that is, and you want huge returns, you need to know that investing for commercial purposes is way to go. And this thing cuts across all sectors, even stocks, real estate, and all of that. So if you look at the use case, like the case study of Jim Ovia invested for commercial reasons,
Mm-hmm.
right? So Zenith Bank was meant to be a public bank that will solve the problems of Nigerians, the financial collapses that we had in the system at the time. Zenith Bank were already positioning to solve
To
those
solve that
money
problem.
crises. But if these claims were true, Shina Peters bought a property to live in. And it's the same thing that we've always said, that if you're going to build your portfolio in real estate, the home where you are living, actually, that only adds to your what do they call it now? It only adds to your
It's your
portfolio.
well of wealth.
It only adds to your wealth and your worth. You can't monetize it because, I mean, when you liquidate the apartment, the house you are staying, where do you go? You can't stay on the street. So if you are investing for consumption reasons for you and your family, know that cash flow is non-existent because you are not paying rent on your personal house. It's only your capital appreciation, and that is also predicted. But Shina Peters would have done well to think as a real investor, getting commercial properties upon commercial properties,
More like being a developer.
more like a developer. Sure, you get. So he would have built an asset portfolio that is in crazy amount, right? If these claims were actually true.